lang kong kasamaan sa kapulungan ng mga kinatawan, mga kawani ng House of Representatives, mga kaibigan, at higit sa lahat, ang minamahal na pamilya ng yumaong kagalang-galang Romeo Acop. Nagtipon po tayo ngayon not only to mourn, but to remember with gratitude a life that was lived with purpose, integrity, and love for country. Damang-dama po natin ang bigat ng katahimikan dito sa bulwagang ito. We feel this loss deeply, not just because we lost a colleague, but because we lost a friend, a brother, and a man who gave his whole heart to public service. Today, we gathered as one house, one family, united in both grief and gratitude. Honorable Romeo Acop was more than our colleague. He was once someone was trusted, matatag, malinaw ang kanyang paninindigan. He did not seek attention, but his presence was always felt. In moments that required courage, he stood firm, guided not by convenience, but by conscience. Throughout his years of service, his integrity never wavered. He served not for recognition, but for the people he believed in. Sa bawat tanong na kanyang tinatanong, sa bawat desisyon ng kanyang tinindigan, ramdam ang kanyang malasakit at sense of responsibility. He reminded us that public service at its best, it's about honesty, humility, and doing what is right, even when it is difficult. Beyond the halls of Congress, his kindness reached many lives quietly. Mga pamilyang kanyang tinulungan, mga komunidad ng kanyang pinakinggan, mga taong nabigyan niya ng mga pag-asa. These may not have made headlines, but they matter deeply to those who received them. Sa pamilya po ni kagalang-galang Romeo Acop, walang salitang makakamantay sa inyong pagkawala. But please, know that your loved one lived a life that truly mattered. His values, his character, his example live on in this institution. And in all of us who had the privilege of working with him. At sa aming mga naiwan, may iniwan siyang simpleng paalala. The true service not about titles or power, but about integrity, humility, and genuine care for others. This is the legacy he leaves us. Paalam sa isang tunay na kaibigan at sa lahat ng iyong nayambag. Ito ay laging mananatili sa aming puso, sa aming isip. Paalam, maraming salamat, Manong Romy.